4, 5, 6, and 8. Kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, back to the line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There. Hey. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, good job. Kaya natin 15. Okay, move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay. Hey. Good. So, nakikita din yung impact niya, nakahayat niya. Dito siya mag-roll. Okay, ready? Forward. Side. Good, Linton. Very good. 2. Okay, pag may kulog ha, hayaan doon kumukulog. Okay, backward. 1. Please. Nakuha na yung basic ng 2. Okay. Forward. 1. 2. Okay, backward. 1. 2. Okay, forward and side lock. 1. 2. Backward. 1. 2. Okay, forward, outside lock. Dito pa rin lang. Boom. Siya, hindi ko pagdating sa dulo. 1. Good. Backward. 1. 2. Upper block, umiikot pa rin. From here. Pagdating dito doon siya ay bablock. Okay, forward. 1. Good. Hayaan. Nakaharap yung ano. Yes. Kasi pinatalis mo yun. 2. Good. Backward. 1. 2. Double punch. Forward ha. 1, 2. Okay, ready? 1. Okay. 2. Lagyan na ng interval ha. Okay, backward. 1. 2.
Sinandura. Moving position, cross kick, assure, full tap. Okay, eventually, mababa ang sipa ng para sa ano, bull. Okay, ready? One, good, two, three, 45 degrees, sinandura. Good, side same. One, yes, two, three, okay, 45 degrees sila na right. Okay, roundhouse. Baywang-baywang na muna tayo. Lagyan nyo ng titik. Okay, parang papulit scoping. One. Ready? One. Good. Two. Three. 45 degrees sila na right. Okay, one. Okay, ready? Two. Three. 45 degrees sila na right. Okay, side kick. Baywang pa rin. Okay? Ready? One! Yes, sugar. Balik mo na lang konti yun. Balik mo na lang konti yan, okay? Two! Good! Three! Okay! 45 degrees sila na right. Same. One! Good, same grip. Two! Three! Okay, 45 degrees sila na right. Okay, turning kick. Zero ha. Nandito ang paa natin. Pasulong tayo. Mag-move ang isang paa. Sa katapat ng mismo. Okay, ready? One! Good! Super, lahat kayo marunong. Okay, yung isang paa, mag-move ulit. Ganito muna ang turning ha. Huwag mo lang doon. Okay? Ready? One! That's it. Very good. Good. Okay. Hilang na right. Pwede move. Okay, same technique. Side break, tumulong ka. Masipag ka ni okay. One! That's it. Paspasan nyo ng puti. Okay, ready? One! Yes. Okay. 45 degrees sila na right. 45 degrees sila na right. Now, yung sa harapan naman. Okay, kanina, pumunta tayo doon. Tuhabol. Now, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ay! Okay, ito naman dito. 1, 1, 1. Ay! 1, 1, 1. Ay! Okay, ready? Bounce. Hindi naman actually mag-bounce pagdating sa tournament. It's up to you kung saan kayo kalahatan. Okay, now, para dumaan yung hinga ninyo. 1, 2. Okay, ready? Move! Ay! 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 Good. More. Pagka makasarating dito. Good. Ay! Good. Balik doon. Balik doon. Go like this. Balik doon. Okay, move. Good. Mahirap ha? Masanay ka. Okay. Forward. 2. Good. Okay. 1. Okay. Backward. 1. 2. 3. Okay, up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Same pa rin. Tapusin natin yung basic natin dyan. Walang tubig until 30 minutes. No. Huwag niyo sanayin ng tubig. Huwag niyo sanayin ng tubig. Doon kayo napapano sa kainom. Pag napuno yung tiyan, rest na. Yan ang posisyon niyo. Okay. Move! Double stances. Double stance. Suntok. Okay. Backward. Move! Okay, forward. 1. Same technique. Okay, backward. 1. 2. Okay, forward. 1. 2. Okay, ulit. 1. 2. Okay. Pag ganyan naman, para magpantay sila. Okay, 1. Back to position. 2. Back to position. Very good. 3. Okay, back to position. Okay, back to position. Okay, pagod na yung tuhod. Okay, hey. Back to position. position. 3!
Okay.
Back position.
Wait, tingnan natin, observe natin ha. Isa lang nakita kung naka-perform ng maigi. Okay? 1! Okay. Back to position. 2! Back to position. Nakita niyo? Basic. Dadaan doon. Dadaan dito. Dadaan doon. Walang baka. Walang baka. Okay? Back. Babalik dito. Okay, ready? Pero hindi kita na upward. Basta, 1. Ganun lang. Okay, ready? 1! Good. Isip lang. 2!